We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another round of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Hey, this month we're teaching you how to take some time off from work or from whatever you're doing. 也就是请假。
请假。
Okay, or maybe you heard someone took some time off, your colleague, and you're like, oh, 他是要干嘛？他要去旅游了吗？他要发生什么事情吗？好，我们来听这样的对话咯。
佢天公爺愛請假，
做乜嘅？發生乜嘅事情？
因為佢要去健康檢查。
發生什麼事情？他要去健檢一下啦。
是啊。
Okay, so again, this is a conversation probably that happened between colleagues at work and finding out that, someone is taking a day off tomorrow and asking why, what happened, what does he or she want to do? So let's break it down one by one here, okay? 他明天要請假, he is taking some time off tomorrow.
佢天公爺愛請假。
佢天公爺愛請假。Okay, 天公爺, that's tomorrow. 然後請假。Okay, that's what we've been teaching you. That means take time off. 然後他是不是就有點好奇心啊？為什麼？
發生什麼事？
對，怎麼說呢？
做乜嘅？發生乜嘅事情？
做乜嘅？發生乜嘅事情？發生什麼事情？為什麼 ？Why is 做乜嘅？Okay, 然後發生 happen. 發生 Okay, happen. That means to happen. What thing happened to him or her?
乜嘅事情？
乜嘅事情 Okay, got it. And it's only because he's going to have a health checkup. 因為他要去健康檢查。
因為佢愛去。健康檢查。
健康檢查。健康檢查。檢查。If you break those two words down, 健康 that means your health, and then to check 檢查。所以整個就是
健康檢查。
A health checkup, got it? 我們再來教幾個剛剛教過的單字咯。
好，
包括明天 tomorrow,
天公爺
okay, and then why 為什麼？
做乜嘅？
Okay, a little question mark there at the end. And finally, health checkup 健康檢查。Okay, that is a health checkup. Two words combined into one. All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
佢天公爺愛請假，
做乜嘅？發生乜嘅事情？
因為佢要去健康檢查。
And this month, we're teaching you how to take a break or 請假。And there you have it, another practical round of Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.